if you're interested in building passive income, then stick around because I'm giving you an update on the course I have coming out very soon called Printing Profits. And we're starting right now. What's up, stackers? So this is kind of a little video just giving you guys an update on how the course is coming along. Printing Profits is where I teach you guys how to sell low content books over on Amazon for passive income. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day, every other day at the minute, I'm bringing out videos showing you how to make money with nothing more than an internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Now, so how is my course coming along? It's coming along very well. I've got all the base of the course done. That's all the modules. I haven't created the content yet. I've I've structured everything, so now I know how the course is going to be. And as you guys know, it will be a step-by-step course teaching you exactly what I've done to get the results that I'm about to show you in a minute. So if we go over here to the website, this isn't probably how it's going to look, but it's coming along nevertheless. So as you can see, it's going to be called Printing Profits. Printing because it's print on demand. They're printing books, printing profits. You know, you get that. And so you can easily create notebooks and sell them on Amazon. No experience necessary. So I'm going to show you how to create the covers, how to create the interiors. I'm going to show you step by step everything on how you should do this. So this is by far the easiest way for newbies to create passive income. So let's head on over to my Amazon KDP account, and I'm going to show you my results for December. So let's head on over. Now, if you want to get my course, this Printing Profits, at a huge discount when I do release it, then stick around to the end of the video and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So these are my results. Actually, first of all, let's just refresh that page. So just let that load up for a second. December's gone pretty well for me, as you can see here. Now, that is due to it being December and Q4, people buying a lot of presents. But I'm going to speak more about that in a minute. So these are my results so far. Now, let's take this £240, take it over to a converter. So that's $304. So I put that in a calculator with that 355 as well. So pretty much for December I made $659. Now bear in mind, this is pretty much my first month selling low content books. So I've had some pretty good results. Now again, it has been December, a lot of people buying presents, so I do expect my sales to start dropping off. But I do expect them to start picking up again because I'm making 10 low content books a day. So that can be notebooks, sketchbooks, comic books, journals. I have a whole range of different no to low content books that I'm actually selling. And because I consistently make books every day, my library on Amazon actually grows every single day as well. And because of that, I now have over 300 books published. And it hasn't even been that long. Now, if you want to make your first $100 online, you haven't made any sales yet, haven't made any money, don't know what to do, then I suggest learning low content books and selling these, because the barrier to entry is next to nothing. It's really simple. You don't really need any experience either. And you can even learn quite a lot of this just from YouTube. But if you want a more structured way, a more step-by-step, then look out for my course coming out within the next few weeks. And if you are interested in purchasing and learning through my course and you want to get it at a huge discount, then go through to Stackers Inner Circle and join. It's just a Facebook group on Facebook and it's completely free. The link for that is in the description below, so come through and join, because when I release the course, I'm only releasing it to the Inner Circle members to begin with, and I will be releasing it at £49.99. Now remember, that's only for the Stackers Inner Circle. If you're not a part of the Stackers Inner Circle, after a week or two after the course has been released, you will be paying full price, which will be £99.99. So remember, come through, join the Stackers Inner Circle, it's completely free, and you're going to get that huge discount. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.